How do you fix if you're not being able to hear sounds on Instagram stories? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can fix no sound problem on our Instagram stories. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're not being able to hear sounds on Instagram stories, so if you open up story and you're viewing someone's story over here, you're not being able to actually hear this sound. First of all, just make sure that your media volume is not set to mute. Sometimes this particular volume could be set to mute itself, which is why you're not being able to hear sounds. The second reason is that story itself might not have an audio. So the creator of that story might not have added an audio. So if they've added it, you'll be able to listen to them. But if neither of these are the cases, there are a couple of things that you can do. If you're using Instagram on your Android, you can long press the Instagram app icon, tap on the eye icon to come to your app info page, then simply scroll and look for the storage tab and tap on it. And from the storage tab, you can try to clear the cache files and also try to clear the data. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar, search for Instagram. Check if the app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.